In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the BloFin wallet address. Now to do this, you want to open your dashboard and of course sign into your account. So from here, you want to then go to this Add Funds button up top, and then from here, you want to click on Deposit Crypto. You could also go to your Assets tab, so in case you are on the Assets tab like this, you want to click on Deposit over here, and that's going to take you to the same page. Inside this Deposit Crypto page over here, what you want to do is first select the crypto you want to find the wallet address for. So for me, I'm going to go with BTC over here for this example. And you also want to select the network you want to get your address for. For me, I'm going to go with the Bitcoin mainnet. So I'm going to click on here. And then from here, you'll see your deposit address. Okay, so this is going to be your wallet address to which you can then deposit. Now it's going to be different from mine over here. Of course, every single account has a different address over here. So just make sure you actually copy yours from here and not anyone else's. Okay, but essentially, that's how you can find your wallet address on BloFin. You could then go and select a different one as well. For example, if I look for BNB and if I select the BNB Smart Chain here, I'm gonna get the address for that. I can do something else as well, like Solana over here. There we go, and you'll get your own address. So that's how to find addresses of your wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.